CYS Guangzhou Import and Export Trade Company Limited was founded in 2018. The company is an integration of trade and development enterprise. Company creates the brand GTS Bros. GTS Bros team focus on outdoor cycling equipment business for a few years. GTS Bros adheres to more safe, more comfortable, and relaxed cycling experience for every cycling outdoor enthusiasts. Our main products are cycling helmets, cycling lights, cycling glasses, cycling bags, and cycling clothes. They are selling to overseas markets, mostly North America, South America, Western Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We have professional technical cooperated factories with the large production lines. The workshop occupies over 5,000 square meters, including prototype room, mold room, automatic screen printing department, blister department, injection department, lining and protective gear production lines, etc. We especially set up inspection department to purchase high-quality materials and control strictly internal process to ensure that all products are up to standard. For business years, our company aim is offering best service and excellent quality products to satisfy every outdoor cycling enthusiast. GTS Bros are offering over 1,000 cycling equipment designs so far. They are in our showroom for your choice. We have provided few millions quantities of cycling equipment to overseas online customers and offline customers every year. We welcome all OEM and ODM orders. You will get easy and comfortable purchasing experience in GTS Bros.
CYS company welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our brand GTS Bros can provide you bicycle equipment. You will get easy and comfortable purchasing in GTS Bros.